Welcome to our channel. Today we how to log into Realtor.com for investment market research, full guide step by step clearly. To begin, open your preferred web browser on your device. In the address bar, type Realtor.com and press enter. Wait for the website to load. Once the home page appears, locate the login button. It's typically found in the upper right corner of the screen. Click on the login button. A new window will pop up prompting you to enter your credentials. If you already have an account, enter your email address. Next, input your password in the designated field. Double-check that both entries are correct to avoid errors. Once confirmed, click on the Sign In button. If you do not have an account, locate the Sign Up link on the login window. Click on the Sign Up link to create a new account. Follow the prompts to enter your personal information. You may be asked for details such as your name, email, and a password. After filling out the necessary fields, review the terms and conditions. If you agree, check the box indicating your acceptance. Then, click on the Create Account button to finalize your registration. Once logged in, you will be redirected to your dashboard. From there, explore the various tools and features available for market research. Utilize the search bar to find properties and investment opportunities. Make sure to check filters like location, price range, and property type. Take advantage of the interactive maps and analytics provided. You can save searches for easy access in the future. To log out, click on your profile icon in the upper right corner. Select the Log Out option from the drop-down menu. Now you are ready to explore the investment market on Realtor.com. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.